I guess what's happened. How to retrieve Hotmail password. To retrieve your Hotmail password now on Microsoft's account, go to your browser and just type Outlook or Hotmail or Microsoft reset password, right? And you're gonna see the first article here. Press it. And then what you're gonna do, just hit sign in and it will take you to this page, right? account.microsoft.com. What we're gonna do, we're gonna just hit sign in as if we are trying to log in. Enter your email or phone or Skype. Hit next. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna hit forgot your password. Right? You're gonna enter your email, phone or Skype name, and where should they contact you. Enter an email address that's different from the one you're trying to recover. Okay, and of course verify the character you see, and basically you will receive an email, right? Basically with the link or code that you need to fill in, and then from there it will take you to the new password page where you're gonna create a new password and confirm the new password, and then you're gonna be able to log in using this new password. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.